How to update flask-sqlalchemy row entry. Assume table has 3 columns, username, password, and no _of_ logins. When user tries to log in, it's checked for an entry with a query like. If password matches, he proceeds further. What I would like to do is count how many times the user logged in. Thus, whenever he successfully logs in, I would like to increment the no _of_ logins field and store it back to the user table. I'm not sure how to run update query with flask-sqlalchemy.
With the help of user=user.query.filter_by, username=form.username.data.first statement, you will get the specified user in user variable. Now you can change the value of the new object variable like user.no_of_ logins +=1 and save the changes with the sessions commit method.
There are several ways to update using flask-sqlalchemy.
I wrote Telegram bot and have some problem with update rows. Use this example if you have model. Why use db.session.flush? That's why, flask-sqlalchemy. What's the difference between flush and commit?
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.